Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Well, today I'm going to go in, I want to do something nice and bright. I had recently reviewed the Nicole diary plates. I'll put a link up above, and I wanted to use that honeycomb image on it, so I thought I'd go in and do some wasp bumblebee type nails. So I have put on 2 coats of this catrice yellow, and the second coat is actually still wet. I'm just trying to see, yeah, it's called Don't Judge a Nail by Its Colour. So the second coat is still wet, so I'm going to go in with this neon yellow glitter. Now this is actually an indigo glitter. They usually come in little pots, but most of my glitters are in these tubes, so I decided to decant into the tube just so they all look nice on the shelf. Now look at the sparkle on that, and because it's going over a regular polish, I just want that to dry down a little bit before I top coat, before I sweep it off, just the excess off, and top coat it. So we'll just give that a few minutes just to dry down. So now I'm just going to use this fluffy brush and just brush off any excess. So I'm going to go in and I am just going to top coat that. Now I find you do lose an awful lot of sparkle when you top coat with a regular polish, but I just cannot use those gel polishes at the moment. They are just totally breaking me out. I'm fortunately extremely allergic. You can definitely see the difference now between the top coated and the non-top coated. So if you are not allergic to gel polishes, I would go in with a gel if you can. So just allow that to dry before we go in with our stamping, guys. Now for stamping, I'm going in with 2 stamping plates. I'm going in with the Nicole Diary Animal World 04 and Animal World 03, and I'm going to use this honeycomb pattern in the 04, and I am going to use this hive and bumblebee in the 03. So I have some white paper down just because I am messy as hell when I stamp. I'm going to be using Hit the Bottle in as black as night. I don't know how it's improved, but it's improved. And I'm just going to use my squishy clear stamper. I would love this pattern. I would definitely love to see this with each of those hexagons coloured in a different colour, but really, who has time for that today? And I always just take a lint roller just to clean off the stamper head. So here we are, I have done both hands and I have top coated. Now the glitter is all over my fingers as well, so I just need to give my hands a good wash and oil my cuticles and I'm done. But I love these. I think the honeycomb would be lovely with some orange in there as well, and maybe a yellow orange marble would just hit it off. But here we have them. What do you think? I love them. I'll be wearing them for a few days, I think, as opposed to my normal daily change. So if you like them, guys, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our videos. I put new videos up every Tuesday and Friday. So until the next one, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.